Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. Happy New Year. This is our first video of 2023. We're here outside of Hallsville, Texas today to bring you the final walkthrough tour of the Bobcat Barndominium. This is a 2,775 square foot Barndominium. If you look on the exterior here, you're going to see white exterior walls with a black roof. I believe all of the trim here, our gutters and everything, are going to be black. You'll see window awnings over the front windows that are also black to match all the trim. It's just a really pretty look. The windows here are going to be black on black, which means they're black on the outside, black on the inside. And then if we look at our porches, we've got a 10 by 5 front porch that is gabled with a crow's foot there. And then on the back side, we've got a 50 by 10 lean-to that is directly attached to a 24 by 25 two-car carport. Now, also included in this build is a 30 by 20 shop. Same color scheme. We've got white on the exterior, black on the roof, and black with the trim. And then you're going to see we've got roll-up doors on each end for a pass-through through the shop, and then lean-tos on either side that I believe are 10 foot wide. Just a really beautiful build. It wound up being 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. We could also call it 4 bedroom because we do have a spare room that can be used as a media room if needed. But we're going to do a completed walkthrough tour here and show you guys all the intricacies and all the details of this one. Just bear with us today. We're doing our final walkthrough, but we do have a little bit of work that we're finishing up, just some touch-up things and minor things so they can get moved in. But we wanted to go ahead and show you guys a finished product of the Bobcat Barndominium today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you guys in the question or comment area. You can talk to us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then if you or anybody you know would like to get started the process with building their dream home with 1845 Barndominiums, you can check out our website, 1845barndominiums.com. You can submit a request form, let us know what you're wanting to build, where you're located, and don't forget we have about an 80 to 90 mile radius of Hallsville, Texas and College Station, Texas. But let us know what you're wanting to build. One of our sales team members will be happy to reach out to you and talk you through the process and get that started for you. So let's head on inside now and take a look at the Bobcat Barndominium final tour. All right guys, so as we head in the front door here, you see we've got a little small foyer here, and in the floor plan, what creates that is we have our 4th bedroom, our media room over here, and then we have an office on this side that we'll show you as we kind of pan around and show you the full view of the kitchen and living area. We do have a designated dining area. Here you can see the really nice farm table that they've got put in here. And then we've got the center section of this home is your kitchen island area. We've got French doors going out to the back where there is a pool. And then we've got our living area with our fireplace. And I told you we were doing touch-ups. You can see on the fireplace, we've got a drawing here, a rendering of where the TV brackets are going to go in the stone. So we're getting ready to install those. And you can see here from this view, we've got custom built-ins with lighting on both sides of the cabinets. Cabinets on both sides of the fireplace there. I want to show you just kind of a close-up. We've got some black windows. These are black on black, black outside, black interior. Got a lot of glass there across the back to show you the view of the pool. We can see the shop area there. If we come into the kitchen, we've got quartz countertops. You can see shaker style cabinets. A lot of drawers on the bottom, cabinets up top. Got some floating shelves here. Got a large fixed window to give us a good view outside into the backyard and the pool area. Undermount farm sink there, and then you've got floating shelves on both sides of the sink, on both sides of that fixed window. We've got, if we pan around here, you can see we're going to go back into the laundry room, the master wing over there. But then we come into our kitchen area. We've got a huge island here, quartz countertops all the way throughout the house. Got a large island. We've got white on the kitchen cabinetry, and then we've got a gray here on the island. I'll give you a little bit better view of that. Got some gray there. All drawers down here on the bottom for storage. And then we've got a wall oven with microwave mounted above, which leads us to cooktop here. We've got a propane cooktop installed. And then again, we've got our shaker style cabinets there with custom vent hood installed. And then just off the dining area, you can see we've got an office area here with a glass barn door. We've got some things that we're working on to get them moved in, so there are some things stored in some of these rooms, but we've got some built-ins there, some built-in shelving there for their office area. And so I'm going to take you over. We're going to go across and go into the 2-bedroom. Some may say 3. So this is the extra room. So we've got double barn doors here. If we open up, this can be used as a bedroom. And the reason for that is we do have a closet built into this room. So if we ever wanted to resell this house, we could sell it as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. But I believe this is going to be used more as a media room, movie room, game room, and just kind of a hangout for the kids. And so as we head over to the wing over here, we've got 2 bedrooms. Now both of these bedrooms are roughly 13 by 13. We've got carpet in these bedrooms. The trim is kind of a standard trim package for us. We've got 1x4s on our door trim, 1x6 on the floors. All of our door trim is miter cut. Got a lot of closet space here. Pocket door going into this one. We've got shoe cubbies. We've got uppers and lowers. Again, custom designed by the homeowner to fit their needs and get what they need out of it. And this is a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So we've got quartz countertops in here as well. You can see the pass through to the other room right over here. We've got a single vanity, lots of cabinet space here. Keeping our shaker style cabinet theme, quartz countertops, oversized vanity mirror there. And then, like a lot of homeowners ask us, we have a separate, we have a pocket door here that separates the shower and toilet area from the sink area. So if you had one in the shower or using the toilet, we could still come in and brush our teeth, fix our hair, do whatever we needed to do. And this is a tub with tile surround, and we've got niches built into those. Really nice. We've got a body sprayer and a standard shower head installed there. And then if we come on over the other bedroom here, very similar to the first one there. Same trim, 1x4, 1x6 trim, carpet in the floors here. We've got white walls with knockdown texture. We've got a lot of storage in this closet. A lot of shelving, a lot of cubbies. And then we've got uppers and lowers. We've got drawers built into this one. So just a lot of storage space in these bedrooms. Now, when we come back here, I believe I forgot to mention this in our intro video, is we do have a half bath or a full bath, I guess, back here for the shower area. So if anybody's in the pool or they're outside playing, they can come in here and take a shower if needed. We have a single sink vanity right there, again with our quartz countertops with 4-inch splash on the back. We have another full-size tile shower. I'm going to open this up and show you. So we've got tile shower, body sprayer, and standard shower head. We do have a niche built into that shower with full-size glass door. And then we have a toilet area back here with cabinetry over the top. And then this exit takes us directly out to the back porch area where our pool is. We can get out to the shop from there. So I'm going to spin us around and take us back out to the living area. And we're going to transition over to the master wing. So I'm going to take you through the living room here. And we'll head over through the laundry room first. So we've got, just off the carport here, our entry from the carport, we do have kind of a mud room. We've got our entry there, and then we've got cubbies built in here. And one of the things I love that they did, these are extra tall cubbies, a lot of extra storage space up here. But we've got plugs built in here that have our phone chargers, have adapters built into them. We've got hangers in each of the cubbies. and then we've got storage underneath. So those are custom built-ins. Also off of our mudroom, I want to show you the door here. We've got another barn door here with frosted glass, and this takes us into the pantry area. So we've got some countertop and built-in drawers here, and then we also have shelving. So we've got a lot of storage, a lot of space here. We've got some plugs there over the countertop if we wanted to put mixers, blenders, Keurig, coffee pot, anything like that we could put in there and have a lot of space for it. So I'm going to take you through the master wing now, and this is our HVAC closet right out the master. It's running right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that. They're really, really quiet. And I'm going to take you, this is the master. Here we have tile floor in the master, 2 full-size windows here, a lot of light in here. We're keeping our same trim. We've got 1x4s and 1x6s. And then we basically have 2 closets here. We have a his and hers closet. So if we come in here, we've got shelving here with electrical plugs there. We've got upper and lower hanging there on that wall. And then we come back over here and we've got some shelving and some built-in drawers on this side. A lot of storage. We're not going to have any storage in the bedroom itself. So now I'm going to come in and take you guys into the bathroom. Sorry you have to look at me in the mirror there. I'm going to try to step out of the way and show you. We've got quartz countertops here, another oversized vanity mirror that covers the entire countertop space. We've got shaker style cabinets and drawers along the bottom. We also have a full-size linen cabinet on the opposite side that we can keep towels, washcloths, things like that in. We have our toilet room or our water closet with cabinetry over the top for storage in there. And then we've got a huge walk-in shower with glass door. We also have the pony wall built in here that has glass as well. You can see in here we've got the body sprayer. We have a large shower niche, and then we've got 2 standard shower heads in here. And this is, of course, tile shower, and we went tile all the way up to the ceiling. And that's something that customers ask us, you know, what is a standard height for a shower? And it varies. Standard for us probably would be 8 feet. But if you'd like for us to go 9 feet, we can go up 9 feet. We can do the ceiling. We can do the entire area. Just depends on what your budget allows and what you would want. And this is the other closet off the master. Kind of the same thing. We've got a lot of hanging in here. We've got some built-in drawers there. And then you can see we've got lots of cubbies. More cubbies and hanging right here. And then some more drawers. And these 2 closets are connected right here. You can see we've got a complete pass-through here. We can walk through both closets. And we have a pass-through from the master into the laundry room. Now this laundry room is awesome. It is big, spacious, and it has a ton of storage. So I'm just going to give you a panorama. We've got some storage under here. We've got our washer and dryer that are being installed there. We've got a sink, a utility sink here. We've got cabinetry above with some shelving and hanging rod there. And I'm going to pan around and try to show you the whole room. We've got storage there for an upright freezer. Full-size pantry cabinet there for storage. You can put brooms, mops, all kinds of things in there. We have another little vanity here, almost like a little secretary or folding table here. It's got some drawers there. We've got cabinetry up top. We're connected to the closet with a pocket door right there to save some space. And then of course more cabinetry over the top. We do have quartz countertops in here as well. And I want to show you, a lot of customers ask us for countertop plugs just to make sure that we can plug things in for charging and things like that. In the day and age we live right now, electrical plugs are a must. So we do ask you, when we're going through the sales process with you in the design process, we ask where you would like those plugs, how you would like those oriented. Would you like adapters in those are just straight up 110 plugs. All right, I'm going to take you out now and show you the back porch area. We've got beautiful French doors here that give us a great view of the back. Excuse me. And you can see we've got 30 by 20 shop. It is connected, so we've got concrete around our pool area here, and that concrete also connects us to the shop. We've got a 50 by 10 porch here that is connected to a 24 by 25 carport that is gabled. We have a crow's foot on that gable as well. And you can see we've poured an apron, concrete apron out there. I'll take it out here and show you. So we've got a concrete apron that we poured that's a lead up, and I believe, I'm gonna make sure I'm not lying to you, but I believe we're working, yep, we're working on form boards and trying to get the rest of that finished up today. And then I want to point out, we've got soffits here. We've got white soffits that finish out the underpinning here. You can leave these exposed, but it is a lot cleaner look when you have those soffits installed there. We've got can lights or recessed lighting that we can put in there. But all of this ties in really well. You can stay on the sidewalk all the way over out to the pool and over to the shop area. And I don't know if you can see in the video here, but we've got French doors that lead us into that shop area as well. So great area for hosting, a lot of room to host a lot of people, parties. Maybe they'll invite me over one day. But that's pretty much going to wrap it up. I'm going to give you one more panorama of this center section. Again, this is very similar to a Laredo layout. It's just been modified to meet what they need. We've kind of spread it out, opened up the square footage, and made it fit their needs. And that's what we can do with all of our floor plans. If there's a floor plan of ours that you like, or if you have a floor plan that you like, bring it to us. Send us a PDF. We can give you a bid on that, and then we can talk about if we can turn that into a Barndo format, if we need to make any changes to it, or what changes you would like to make, because we want to build your dream home, not just a spec home. We want to make sure it's the dream home that you've wanted. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour today of the Bobcat Barndominium here outside of Hallsville, Texas. Just a quick review. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath Barndominium that we have. It has an extra room there, can be used as another bedroom, can be used as a media room or game room or anything like that. Really, really beautiful build. This one turned out really well. We're trying to get this thing finished up and doing all the touch up and final work to get them moved in this weekend, but we're really excited to bring this one to you. You saw tile flooring here. We've got carpet in a couple of the bedrooms. You've got tile in those showers, quartz countertops, shaker style cabinets, got a beautiful fireplace, just a long list of items that we could talk about here, but it just turned out to be a really beautiful Barndominium. If you're interested in getting the floor plans for this Barndominium, we do have those on file. You can contact us. We can talk to you about modifying those floor plans or just selling you the plans just as they are. If you'd like to talk about possibly getting just a shell built or getting a full turnkey build, we would love to hear from you. So you can check us out on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. If you haven't subscribed to our channel here on YouTube, we would love to have you join the family. We'd love to hear from you in the question or comment area below. If you have an idea for a video or a topic that we can cover, that's something that you would like to know or information you'd like to get, just let us know. We'd love to create a video to help you. If you or anybody you know would like to get the process started of building their Barndominium and making their dream home a reality, we would love to hear from you as well. 1845barndominiums.com. If you go to our website, you can submit a form. Let us know what you're wanting to build, what that project entails, and one of our sales team members can talk to you about how to get the process started, pricing, and a lot of other things. So thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the Bobcat Barndominium here in Hallsville, Texas.